from me?
Open quick.
Are you hiding anything from me?
Am I doing what?
Are you hiding anything from me?
Am I hiding anything from who?
Yes.
I beg you.
Better take it.
What do you want to do?
I want to do something on it.
You want to do? I want
to do something on it.
You want to do something?
Yeah.
What is going on? Which one is I should open my phone? Huh?
Tell her the password so she'll get it.
I should do what?
Tell her the password so she'll get it.
Who is even teaching you how to speak all this English? I should tell her the password so she.
Open.
Get it. Get it right now.
Which one I should get?
Get it right now.
I should do what now?
Why they make noise now?
No, I don't understand. What's the see? Are you programming up or what? I like how I should open my. What do you want to check?
I want to check about the transfer.
Hey, I open now.
Open.
Did you do transfer?
I
No.
want to do transfer about monies.
You want to do transfer to who? For what?
Open the phone.
Excuse me.
My mother.
You want to transfer money to your mother? I'm a phone.
Use your diction.
Quick one is. Quick one is use the diction. So what?
She said, open the phone. She wants to transfer money to her mother.
Must you use my phone and transfer money to your mother?
See,
can't you use my mother's phone? And see, let me tell you, if there is any transfer here, use your mother's phone then transfer to me. And I don't want you to ask me for any part.
My phone is 10%, so
my own is 5%. My own is 5%. My own is 5%.
It's not.
My own is 5%.
Oh yeah.
What's the meaning of that? Now see, let me tell you.
5%.
Listen, this should be the first and last you walk inside this room and you'll be telling me I should open this phone that you want to check on something. Are you suspecting me or what?
Wait, calm down, Nancy.
I'm down.
This King just said little thing. Daddy, please open your phone for me.
Then why will I open my phone?
Open your phone. I want to transfer my mother to a money. That is what I want to do here.
Zim Chikachim, I don't have money to transfer to your mother.
I want to transfer to my mother by myself. If you don't have any transfer, then.
Excuse me, so can't you speak my English?
Take your handkerchief. Is even better. That is your daughter. She should decide you on this one.
I should give her my phone so she will transfer money to you. Did I do any business with you?
She just come here and talk.
Zimchi, listen. This will be the first. You see why it's as if I'm hiding my phone. You see why it's as if I'm hiding my phone. So had it been that you know my password. So you will now.
I know that I found it by myself.
Hey. Is this what your school is teaching you? So you are using me now to learn oral English. Leave me alone. You are using me now to learn English. Abby, this will be the first time. If you want to talk to me, you talk to me in a language I understand. I won't say this thing again.
Wait, stop. You must send me your password. So don't go unless you
why will I tell you? Why will I? Okay, wait. Zimchi, why will I tell you my password? Excuse me. Why will I tell you my password?
Why open this one today?
Let me check.
Why will I tell you my password? You're on my phone. Hey,
where did you collect it from my mother?
You are not actually at school. Is this how you speak English now?
Yes, they teach me in the school.
So what's the meaning of this English?
She's using her dictions now.
Yes, this is the diction I'm using.
Diction and what?
This is the diction I'm using.
Well, I don't have your time, because I can see that small time now you'll be looking for me. I cannot open any password.
Why are you shouting at me?
I'm not shouting at you, but the reason is
I am not.
You want to do what?
Transfer about money to buy so many toys for us.
Oh, excuse me. Wait. You say you want to transfer money to your mother to do what?
Buy toys for us, but you don't
buy toys for you people with my money.
So you did not buy toys for us.
I do not care to buy toys for you people.
Just see, this this small girl, or just one simple question. Please open your phone. That's why you're sweating like that.
I'm not sweating. I'm not leave me, don't. I'm not sweating. So you want to transfer money to your mother to use my money to use my money and now buy toys for you people.
What is even in that phone I don't want to open?
Hey, don't clean my face. Don't clean anything. Leave me.
Let me clean your face because you have heat in your body everywhere. Open your password.
Oh, after cleaning heat, I should open my password. I'm come here na chonga. Na mazimani mapa. Come that's somewhere. Zina.
It's better. It's better. No.
I beg, come and carry me.
You care to kiss me? You care to kiss me? Kiss Daddy. If you don't care to kiss me, no problem. You see why I always pray to have. Mommy, come, let's go.
Hey, you must go out with me. Not only her. It's because you're my only father.
I'm not English.
It's not fair.
Hey,
It's not fair if you carry
English.
Zina and go somewhere. It's because don't carry her. Carry only me.
It's okay.
It's
It's
because
okay.
I'm your father.
Aswal.